I didn't break. There were nights I cried with no one around, lost in the silence, no hope to be found. Carried my pain like a weight on my soul, but deep down inside I refused to let go. They said I wouldn't make it, said I'd fall, but I kept on walking through it all. I rise, even when it hurts inside. I fight through every tear I hide. No matter how many times I fall, I stand back up and face it all. Every scar tells a story of strength. Every step I took, I went the length. Turned my struggles into something gold. Now I'm strong.